One of the two Filipinos who were seriously injured in the recent widespread flooding in the United Arab Emirates remains in the intensive care unit. According to the information provided by the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, the injured individual will undergo surgery. The other Filipino is in a stable condition after undergoing surgery on the leg. Along with the two, one of the three Filipinos perished after their vehicle fell into a sinkhole while avoiding floodwaters in Dubai.
Nung una nga nalilito ako rito, sabi ko, paano nangyari na napakatindi naman nung aksidente kung baha? Yung pala, ito dumada sa area na hindi mo na baha at ang talaga naging cause ng sakuna ay yung sinkhole. Kasi hindi ba nga, puro buhangin dito at hindi naman talaga kasi umuulan sa Middle East. So, ito ay mga unexpected na mga pangyayari talaga.
In total, 3 OFWs in UAE died and 2 were injured. Among the deceased were 2 Filipinas who worked together in Sharjah. They suffocated inside a shuttle service, leading to cardiac arrest. Meanwhile, OWA is now coordinating with the Dubai government and the companies of the deceased OFWs. This is to expedite the processing of documents of the deceased Filipinos for their immediate repatriation to the Philippines.
Hindi ito magiging matagal. Sa ano lang kasi ngayon siyempre we need all the necessary clearances, requirements at lalo na sa kalagayan ng kanilang mga airports ngayon. Pero as of today naman, maaraw na sa UAE, kaya nga lang talaga yung baha, may katagalang humupa.
The government will cover the expenses for repatriating the remains, and because they are active OWA members, they will be granted full benefits they are entitled to. OWA has also visited and spoken with the families of the deceased. Meanwhile, assistance continues to be provided to those affected by the flooding in the UAE, primarily in Dubai, Sharjah, and Al Ain.
Sa Abu Dhabi po, ang affected area po ay sa Al Ain. So, as of yesterday, we have so far reached 160 plus workers. Nagbigay na po tayo ng assistance, financial assistance, as well as yung mga food and hygiene kits po doon sa 160 plus na workers.
The government is also prepared in case there are OFWs who will request repatriation to return home to the Philippines. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.